Hello everyone, welcome to another edition. So we are still continuing with our Excel. So under Excel, we'll be handling like how we can make a report card using Excel. That involves grading, giving comments, the position, and we shall go ahead even to draw a pie chart. That's still under Excel. So I've already typed some work, so I'll use this work for us to do it. So this is my Excel, this work I've already typed. So you can see this is a report card for a report card. This one is a report card for primary 7 class. So we are going to use this for making what? Making a report card. So this is primary. This primary 7. This primary 7 class. So the first thing, let us first go ahead and to find the total mark for each student. That is very easy. So automatically come to this box. This is a cell. You can tap on it, so that cell is already active if you are seeing those green borders. So the first thing is put equal sign. Now you tap on sun, open the bracket, and sum, open the bracket. Now the sum of maths. Okay, the sum of maths, then English, SST, and science, and then close the bracket. Then you enter, so you can see the total is loaded there. So then you go back to this first shell here, then you bring your cursor to the right hand corner. Now when you see that plus sign, then you double click on it. Automatically it will give you all for the what. You can see how it's very easy to sum things in Excel. So automatically it will sum for all pupils. Then we can go ahead even to find the average. Let's find the average as well. So start with equal sign, type in average. Automatically the sign pops up. That's average. So we are going to find the average for maths, English, SST, then science. Let's find out the average. So you can see, sorry, something went wrong. You can still use this to find the average. Average of this, then is English, SST, and science. So you can see the average already there. Then you take it to the the first cell. You will see that plus sign. You just double click. Automatically the average will come. So let's go ahead to find even the grades. The latest grade this maths, grade SST, science as well. So in grading, we shall use the if clause, or like that, the if service call sign. If that's great. If maths, this one, let it be greater or equal to let me say 90. So let us give 90. That's a G1. 90. Let's give it a D1. 90. Let us give it a D1. Grading. then if now still tap on that math greater or equal to let us say maybe 80, let me say 70. That's a D2. 70. That's a D2. That's a D2. Then again, if this math still stop on that math, if greater or equal to, let me say 60. 60, that's a credit 3. Say 60, that one credit 3. Then after that if let me stop again on maths, it's greater or equal to, so we do compare using the thing we have here. So now we have 30, so 30, that one we can just say 30, let that one be what? Let that one be a pass. So you can say let that one be a pass. So those proper grading, some grading depending on the marks that are in that particular subject. We would have given that full range up to that for F9, but as well you can just do it, just follow the right procedure, everything will come. So let us find that. Now after that you close the bracket. So probably seeing everything is done, you press in enter. So you can see we already seeing a credit 3. Then just bring your cursor to this right hand corner. If you see that plus, you double click, automatically this one is already graded. We are seeing a path here, a D2, a D2, a D1. That one is done, and we shall move to the next one, and that is English. Still we shall use the everything for the if. So everything you first start with the equal sign. After you tap on if, then you open the bracket and you tap on this one, if open the bracket, tap on this one, English. Maybe it is greater or equal to, so let's first see the range. So probably I'm only seeing let me say 70, greater or equal to 70. That's a D2 because I'm grading using what is here. That's a D2. You can give that one to be a D2. A D2. Then still if stop on that very thing, English. It is greater or equal to, so I can say I'm seeing 45 here. So 45, that one is still, I can say that's a pass. That's a pass. So you can give that one. A pass. There's something I want us to correct from here. We are seeing 80 and 80. Yeah, that one is still fall under D2. Yeah, so probably we can now close the bracket. This 1, 2, enter. So you're already seeing a D2 there. So now after that, you just bring the cursor to this right hand corner. When you see that plus sign, you just tap on it, double click. Automatically the grading is all here. We are seeing this one is already passed, so this one is done. So now we are going to grade SST still. So we are going to use if still, so everything starts with equal sign. Then now if now open the bracket, let me say SST, then is same greater or equal to greater or equal to 90. That one is a D1 to 90. That's a D1 and comma. Then if still open the bracket, open the bracket, this if now this one is greater or equal to 70, that's a D2, that's a D2, that's a D2, then comma, then if open the bracket, still under SST, greater or equal to 60, that's a credit 3 to 60, that's a credit 3. Then if this one is still greater or equal to 50, that's a credit 3. Equal to 50, that's a credit 3. That's a credit 4. Sorry, it's a credit 4. It's a credit 4. So automatically now we can close our brackets. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd open for bracket, then you enter. To make there's something wrong with the formula. Let's first check on it what the problem could be. Okay, yeah, the problem is here, I've realized. So let's remove this one. This automatically in Telecom, still not coming. First check, maybe this problem is the formula. Yeah, so I've made the correction. So let's close this. It will be a credit 4. Credit 4. Now we can close the bracket and 2, 3, 4. And now enter. So finally it has come. Then now you tap on it again, then you bring the cursor to the right hand corner. If you see that plus, you double click, automatically everything is now there. So now we are left with the science. So still we are going to use the if for grading science as well. So you start with equal sign, then now if I tap on science, but the marks of science I'm seeing things here. So this one start with equal sign, then now if this is greater or equal to, so I'm seeing the marks for science, I'm seeing a D2, so we can say 70, that's 70. So that one is a D2. I'm giving that one a D2. Then that's a D2. So then now if again, if still is greater or equal to 60, that's a credit 3. That's a credit 3. So now if now this one is still is greater or equal to 50. It's greater or equal to 50. So that's credit 4. I'm giving that one a credit 4. That's a credit 4. Now comma. Now if still is greater or equal to 40, so that is that's a pass. I'll give me that one to be a pass and put it there. So then probably check whether the formula is okay. Yeah, and now we close the bracket. The bracket, and now pressing enter. So probably this one has also come. Then I bring this one to the upper left. Then you double click on it. So probably everything is there now. So now for us to go ahead to find the position, we are going to use ranking. We are just going to rank for us to find out the position. Probably everything starts with equal sign and Excel. Tap on Excel, then you type in rank. Don't call the formula pop in. Ranking. Tap on rank. So you want to get to know which number 1, number 2 from this. So rank. With this. So we are going to rank this. We are going to use the average. After the average, comma, then the reference. So this is the reference. This one, reference, comma. Now the order. Shall put 0. Now close. Now enter. So you can see this one is person, so then automatically put it here. So you can see with the average we have already determined which number 1, number 2, here number 3. So this is according to what? The average. So now finally we are going to comment. So under comment still we can still use the if clause. Can still use the if clause for the average. So it's called sign. So now if this average is greater or equal to can say 70. You can say 75. So that one we can give excellent. We can give excellent. We can give excellent. Then now can still use if. If now use the average is greater or equal to can say 70. I can give that one good. Now commenting so this one good. And now from okay if this now the remaining ones maybe say 50, greater than 50, that one we can say fair, greater or equal to 50. That one we can say fair. You can say fair. So probably we can now close our bracket. Close our bracket. This 1, 2, 3. I type in enter. So you can see it's already here. And now you put the cursor. Just double click on it. So something is wrong here, so let's first check the formula very well. What could it be? Select check on the formula. Yeah, there's some error in the formula, so we can correct this. So let's correct it. It's supposed to be let us say 40. Can correct this, let us say 40. So stop on it and we see again whether the error will be there. So automatically now we have corrected it. Now that's certified. So that's how we can make a report card using Excel. So now the next thing I'll show you is like how to do with a pie chart, how to make a pie chart still under Excel. Like for this primary 7 class report card, you can go as well to deal with what the pie chart. So probably let's make a pie chart. So the first thing you do is to highlight the names. After highlighting the names, then now you choose like which one do you want. You can say let us use the total. Let us say use the what? You can say let us use the total. Start afresh. And say let us use what? The total. Yes. So let's highlight the names. So you can highlight this are the name of pupils. After highlighting, and now we choose, are we going to use which one? The grade average, but we can even use the total. You can use the total. So now after that, I can go ahead now to insert. Under insert, then look for a pie chart. So charts are here, so we can use DAFNAT. So for me, I've chosen DAFNAT. Yeah, so automatically, so as you can see, that's our chart. So as well, you can change it if you are not contented with that one. There's still other options for you, like when you come to design. Yeah, this bar here for design, you'll find other options like the way you want your chart to be. Maybe if you tap on this one, you can see the type of that chart, or this one. Okay, like you just choose the one you want to use. So for my case, let me take this one. You can go ahead even to change this. I like to change the title. You can see primary. Tap on this. Primary. Primary 7. Primary 7. Say primary 7. Look at this, primary 7 chart, like that. So you can make it even to have heading. Yeah, so the other options for you can still even put it like to push it to the next page. So let me first create sheet 2 here. Want our chart to be there. So our sheet, so you can go to this, then you right click. After right clicking, I'll get even options here. You can still even go to design, then there's this option, move chart location. You tap on it, tap on this, so it will give you like a new sheet. Then you tap on new sheet, then you press OK. So it is loading automatically. That chart will be moved to the next page. Yeah, it's there, it will be shown there. Let's be patient, it is loading. So automatically this is our chart. Now you can see this is sheet 1. This one is for the report card. Then this one for the what? This is the chart. You can even go ahead to edit this. Tap on it. You can even edit it to be, let me just say chart. You can just say chart. Automatically everything there. That's the work, and this is the chart. So if this video was really helpful to you, so remember to subscribe, like, comment, and can go ahead even to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss the exciting videos coming up next. Anyway, thanks for your time and thanks for watching. See you in my next videos by Excel. Till we meet again.